Hello, dear students. We have studied about the various salts. Now we are going to tabulate them, or we are going to make a table out of those all the salts. So here we have the salt name and its formula. Then here we have the base from which the salt is made up of. Here we have the name of the acid from which it is made up of and its formula. And then we have the what type of salt it is and what could be its pH. So first we'll think of the potassium sulfate K2SO4. It is prepared from the base KOH, which is a strong base, and it is prepared from the acid H2SO4, which is a strong acid. So it is the salt of strong acid and strong base, and that is why it is a neutral salt, and the pH of its solution would be 7. Then we have the sodium sulfate, my dear students, Na2SO4. It is prepared from the strong base NaOH, and it is prepared from the strong acid H2SO4. That is why it is a neutral salt, because prepared from strong acid and strong base, and its pH is going to be 7. Then we have, my dear students, the calcium sulfate. The formula is CaSO4. Calcium sulfate is produced from the base calcium hydroxide, which is a strong base, and it is produced from the acid sulfuric acid, which is a strong acid, and that is how it is a neutral salt, which the solution of this salt will have the pH is equal to 7. So it will have a 7 pH, my dear students. Then we have the magnesium sulfate MgSO4, which is produced from the base MgOH twice, which is a strong base, and it is produced from the acid H2SO4, which is a strong acid. So as it is produced from the strong acid and strong base, it is a neutral salt, and its solution will have the pH is equal to 7. Then we have the copper sulfate CuSO4. It is prepared from the base CuOH twice, which is a weak base, whereas it is prepared from the strong acid H2SO4, and that is why it is a I'm sorry, my dear students, it is not a neutral salt. It is actually going to be the salt which is going to be the basic acidic salt, because this salt is prepared from the strong it is prepared from the weak base and strong acid. So it should be a salt which is an acidic salt. So we need to do some correction here, my dear students. So we should write here that the salt is not a neutral salt, but it is an acidic salt. So we should write here the acidic salt. And when we write it acidic salt, the pH is going to be less than 7, my dear students. So pH for this CuSO4 is going to be less than 7. Then we have the another salt which is known as the sodium chloride, NaCl. Sodium chloride is prepared from the base NaOH, which is a strong base, and it is prepared from the acid HCl, which is a strong acid. So as it is the salt of strong acid and strong base, and that is why it is a neutral salt, and pH is going to be 7 for the solution of NaCl. Then we have sodium nitrate, NaNO3, which is prepared from the base NaOH, which is a strong base, and which is prepared from the acid HNO3, which is a strong acid, and that is why it is the salt of strong acid and strong base, and that is why it is a neutral salt, and its pH is going to be 7. Then we have sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, my dear students. It has the sodium carbonate is prepared from the strong base NaOH, and it is prepared from the weak acid H2CO3, which is also known as the carbonic acid, and that is why it is prepared from the strong base and weak acid, and that is why it is a basic salt, and its pH is going to be more than 7, my dear students. And then we have the ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. The base from which it is prepared is NH4OH, which is a weak base, and the acid from which it is prepared is the strong acid HCl, and that is why it is going to be the salt from weak base and strong acid, and that is why it is the acidic salt, and that is why its pH is going to be less than 7. So this is how, my dear students, we can understand about the various salts and their pH and their solution. Now we are going to study, depending upon the positive or negative radicals, salts are classified in various families. salts having same positive or negative radicals, it should be or, salts which are having the same positive and or negative radicals belong to the same family. For example, family of sodium salt, so we can write them Na2SO4, NaCl, NaNO3, Na2CO3. Family of sulfate salt, that is K2SO4, Na2SO4, CaSO4, MgSO4, CuSO4. Family of chloride salt, that is NaCl, KCl, CaCl2, MgCl2, AlCl3. Family of potassium salt, that is KCl, K2SO4, K2CO3. Family of calcium salt, that is CaSO4, CaCl2, CaCO3. Family of carbonate salt, that is Na2CO3, K2CO3, CaCO3, MgCO3. Family of copper salt, that has the CuSO4, CuCl2, CuCO3, CuNO3 twice. Family of ammonium salt, that is NH4Cl, NH4NO3, NH4 twice, SO4, or you can say CS3COONH4. Family of nitrate salt, that is NaNO3, KNO3, CaNO3 twice, CuNO3 twice. Family of acetate salts, that is CS3COONA, CS3COO twice, Ca or CS3COONH4. So this is how, my dear students, depending upon the positive and negative ion or positive or negative radical present into the salt, we can divide them into the various families. I hope, my dear students, you are enjoying your studies. In the next video, we will study about the common salt and the various substances that can be produced from the common salt.